Hey everyone, so in this video today I'm going to show you how to change your third brake light on your Audi in under 5 minutes. So what you want to do is open up the boot area, and you don't have to spend time opening up all the plastic panels. Just the top trim over here that covers the brake light, this is all we need to gently remove. You can use your hand or you can use a plastic removal tool which might assist you. If you've done this before, then you can use your hand, which I have. They're just held in place by metal clips for the plastic trim. Here. So I'll show you that again. So all you want to do is just get in there and pull it. With the plastic removal tool, it's a lot easier. Use a bit of force and just pop out all the clips. Then we have access to the plastic clips over there, 2, 3, and 4. Then using nose pliers and a screwdriver, you can go ahead and remove the clips, and I'll show you how. Using your nose pliers, you want to squeeze the white clip so that it compresses the clip in, plus just push it up. Repeat the process over here as well, and for all 4. All you want to do is squeeze it and push it up. Squeeze and push it up like so. That'll release it just like that. If you're having difficulty pushing those clips, you can use the screwdriver. You can use the screwdriver like so and just help the clip release, so you can just push it in like so. That'll make it a little bit easier. So now we've gone ahead and popped the clips off. Now we can just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, so once you've popped off the clips, there's a connector here. Just flip it down. So this is where you can use your screwdriver or you can use your finger. Push the clip down over here, that little tiny clip, and just pull out the connector. So it's just that clip. All you have to do is just push that down, and then that just pops out from here. So these are LED lights, hence why they fell. And so this is the new one here. We'll just go ahead and install it. It's just reversive removal. Compare the clips. If you've got an aftermarket unit, just make sure they're the same. Make sure the connector's in the same orientation. And then we'll go ahead and install it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So once you've got the new light plugged in, just go ahead, just pop it in there and just lock it in place. Make sure you have the seal around here, because this seals the water from entering the boot. So just make sure that you've got your one on it. And if your one's damaged around here, just make sure you clean up this area before installing the new light. Go ahead and just clip it in. Release. Yeah. Yeah. Press again. Just go ahead and clip it in place. So once you have that clipped in place, then all you have to do is just push this back in. Just like so. And then you're good to go from there. And just make sure it's nice and secure in there, which this one is. And that's how you replace the third brake light on your Audi.